Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Google account from Android phone. So in Android phones, the removal of Google account might be some tiresome work. So for that, let's head over to our Play Store first and head over to your Google account by tapping on the icon of your profile on the top right corner. From here, click on Manage your Google account. Now here, if you scroll down in the home section, you can't find any option to remove this account. So let's head over to data and privacy section. And here, if you scroll down, you can't find that option to remove your account from this device too. So what we can do is go to security to check the last if there is any option in here. But as you can see here, we can just remove any device uh, within this that uses this Google account, but we can't just remove this account from this device. We can't control that from our Google account. So what we need to do is to go back, and here you have to go to your settings option or settings application of your phone. And once you are there, let me show you. Here you let me just go to the your icon or settings application. So yeah, once you're in your settings, just scroll down and here you will find the option of accounts and backup. So head over there. From here, go to manage accounts and here you will find all of the Facebook, your Google, every account you want. So yeah, from here, what you have to do is to tap on your account that you want to delete, and here you will find the option of remove account. So once you click on remove account, this layout will arrive that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. So if you want to continue, just click on remove account. So as I don't want to remove my account from this device, what I will do is to cancel it. But as you want to delete your account or remove this specific Google account from your device, what you have to do is just to tap on remove account and your account will be removed. So yeah, this is how you can just remove your Google account from your Android phone. And if your phone is not a Samsung or a Xiaomi or a MI phone, you have to go to the settings option again. And there you find the option of, let me show you. Here you find the accounts and backup, like you might get the accounts option right here. So in those phones, you have to go to or navigate to settings too, and then go to accounts, and then you will find the option of either you will find the accounts listed like this in this section, or you have to go to manage accounts and then just delete the specific account or delete the Google account you want to remove from your device. So yeah, this is the way with which you can just remove your Google account from your Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you found any problem regarding this issue, just make sure to comment us and we will try to solve that. So yeah, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Hope to see you soon.